drift away.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna go explore a fucking dam right now. Damn, you guys are ready or what? You ready, Eric?
I'm ready.
Thanks, Eric, for recording this. Alright. Before it gets dark. Damn, Rick's about to fall. Alright, look you guys. We're like 30 minutes away. Oh shit, fuck. I almost tripped. Damn, this is late. Alright.
It is.
As you can see, you can hear the wind. Fuck. It's about to be haunted. Hey. Look at little boy. He's hunting for his prey. What is it? I don't know, what the fuck. Hey you guys, I wonder what's on top of there. I really want to go in there. Okay you guys, so this is like the hardest part, right? Fuck. Come on Eric. You can do this. Oh shit. What? Yeah. Well, just like with your own string. Or right here. Look. Oh wait, never mind. I was about to say right there. This shit's crazy. Look at that. That shit's fucking huge. Holy shit. You okay, brother? Wow, that's a sick tagging. Look at that. That's fucking legit. Everybody share this with your... Oh, there's no stairs. Oh, wait, is there? What the fuck? There's no stairs. So the plan was to go on top of those stairs over there. I can't believe I couldn't see it. But it's fucking flooded. Look at that shit. Wow, that's crazy, dude. Alright. We're going to hell now. Damn, that's crazy. Anybody, hey, I'm Face Rug. If you hear any noises, comment. Dude, that's literally what he does. Fuck. Oh shit. Let's go. Damn, this shit's scary. Next time we'll go on the stairs or put the light. Alright guys, so we went to the other tunnel. Damn. Damn. You can barely see. See? Damn, I fucking stepped on water. Ah, that no chill. I don't have any more shoes. Alright you guys, so this is the end of the tunnel. Right here. And damn, this shit's fucking creepy. Like, fuck. Alright you guys, subscribe, like, and share it. Share it. Oh my god, you okay? Alright. I didn't even notice that there was some fucking loud noise in there. And I was too entertained with my shoes. Hey, tell them what happened, dude. Like, how you were even hesitating? You're
yeah,
like...
I heard my noise and I was like, nah, I'm not going in.
Yeah, like I was like, nah, let's just keep on going in. And then, cause I didn't hear the noise.